Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is a very common home dish, stir-fry fish cake broccoli. Hope you like it. This quick recipe is suitable to make during busy working days, and it can be made in a short time. Consuming broccoli and other antioxidant-rich foods as part of a balanced diet may help reduce oxidative stress, support cellular health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases associated with oxidative damage, such as cardiovascular diseases, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative disorders. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: broccoli, fish cake, chopped garlic. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. The simplest way to wash broccoli or any fresh produce is to hold it under running water. Use a colander to hold your broccoli florets and then pick up each floret individually to rub dirt or insects out of the crevices in each broccoli head. Wash fish cake and sliced. By the way, prepare some minced ginger and fry it until fragrant. Add chopped garlic and stir fry. Add fish cake and fry it. Add broccoli once fish cake release fragrance. Add 1 tablespoon water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Stir fry. The green broccoli looks good. Don't stir fry for too long to prevent the broccoli from becoming too soft and affecting the texture. Plate broccoli. Arrange the broccoli around the fish cakes and you can start eating. In fact, during Chinese New Year and other festivals, simple recipes can be very beautiful and elegant if you carefully decorate the dishes. What do you think? Doesn't it look as good as what restaurant is serving us? Broccoli is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamins C, K, and A. It also contains several important minerals, including potassium, calcium, and iron. These antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Broccoli is one of the foods considered to be a superfood. It's a natural, nutrient-dense food that, if eaten every day, may help you prevent the occurrence or progression of some medical conditions. The term superfood describes natural foods that are nutrient-dense and lower in calories. A study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics revealed that eating broccoli may help reduce visceral fat, which accumulates around the abdomen. Incorporating broccoli into dishes like stir-fries, salads, or soups can help you take advantage of its fat-burning properties. This cruciferous vegetable is a great source of antioxidants that can enhance your kidney health by reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Regularly incorporating broccoli into your daily diet can contribute to stronger bones and potentially lower the risk of conditions such as osteoporosis. Broccoli is full of many vitamins and minerals important for skin health, including zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It also contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein helps protect your skin from oxidative damage, which can cause your skin to become dry and wrinkled. Eating broccoli and other fiber-rich foods promotes fullness and regularity. The American Diabetes Association recommends people with prediabetes and diabetes follow the diabetes plate method by filling up half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, broccoli being one of them. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.